Hey guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Want to do a walkthrough video on this new 2025 Sea Ray SLX 260 Surf. We have this one in the white and black color, super sharp look. Love the white interior as well. It's really clean. Also stays cool in the sun. We have the power arch on this one. This is a clamshelling top, so that top is going to stay flush when you put it up and down. Really convenient for going under bridges, getting you extra tight up into your canopy lift. We'll hop onto the inside. I'll show you some of the features on the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside of the boat here. First thing you'll notice, we got a nice big lounger here in the back. Very nice backrest here. Plenty of real estate to lay out, tan. On the swim platform here, you'll see it's got the swim step. Flips right down. It's about 6 inches under the water line. Great spot to hang out when you're floating. On this one, a couple amenities here. We do have a stereo head here, easy access for when you're lounging. You do have your USB and USB-C phone chargers as well. This one even comes with your hookup for plugging in the batteries to an extension cord. Easy to charge them up. Walking on through the sidewalk through here, we got storage in here. They really take advantage of all the crevices in this boat. Maximize your storage capacity. Coming in, you got a great conversation area here in the cockpit. It's got a table insert here, put some snacks out, some drinks. You have storage underneath this cushion here. This door will open up if you want to slide in a cooler as well. You got really deep storage pockets under this side, and I even missed the storage on the back side there, so that cushion will flip up. You got massive storage underneath that communicates all the way through here. Great spot to put boards, miscellaneous stuff like that. Moving up forward, we got co-captain's chairs, both on a swivel and slide, and a bolster. Super comfortable, very good looking. Love the stitching on them as well. Moving over to the helm here, you got twin Simrad touchscreen displays. Usually put mapping on one, your gauge clusters on the other. This one is the Surf Edition, so you are gonna have your surf settings on the right screen there as well. You got a Fusion stereo head here, all touchscreen. Bluetooth connectivity. You got your trim tabs. You got some miscellaneous buttons like your horn, some of your navigation lights, your blower, and then over here we have our digital throttle. You do have push button start. You also have trim assist on that as well. It's a cool option. You also have your wireless phone charging pad here as well. And then moving on to the passenger side, you got a lockable glove box here. Keep your phone, your wallet, stuff like that. Flipping open the head compartment here. Nice and spacious. It's a vacuum flush system. Pump it out. Low maintenance. And a good sized space under there for a 26-foot. Moving on up to the bow. See, we got the wind blocker door here. You got dedicated garbage storage here as well. I also have extra in-floor storage. Very deep. And then moving on up, yeah, nice space to sit out here as well. You got flip down armrests, you got cup holders, you got speakers built in here, really hidden, so it keeps the good aesthetic of the boat. Looks really good. And then up on the bow here as well, we're gonna have a bow boarding ladder and an anchor slot dedicated for your anchor. You also have your, you also got a bow wash down up here as well. And you're gonna have this on your stern in addition. Again, hope you guys really like this boat. We're here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Come see us, give us a call. If you'd like to see this boat in person, make an appointment with one of us. Love to show you.